Hey guys, okay, so back from my planning period. There's a few things that I want to cover real quick before the video gets into the battles. First of all, I left because of planning things. Yes, I have a lot of things planned for now, a lot of things scheduled, and just more structure to what I'm doing here. My absence was used well, is what I'm saying. Second thing is, some things have changed real quick. So, the newer Smite combo has changed into Legacy Destroy Dash. Metal Destroy, actually. And that's almost it, except for the fact that War Smite broke kind of almost permanently. So, yeah, that's kind of sad. But either way, it was against a really strong opponent, which is... Who is the star of the show today? Sovereign Ancalagon, Giga, whatever that driver's called. It's been a minute. High Extend plus Dash. Okay. High Extend plus Dash will be staying in the defense mode because that's the most efficient mode for Ancalagon. And yeah, so he will be going up against the heavy hitter himself, Tyrant, on, I think this 3A Exceed Metal. Not Exceed Metal. Extreme Metal. So yeah, here we go. We'll go first to 7 and see how far this video gets. Oh, come on. Damn. Okay, give me a minute real quick. Okay, so my black string launcher, its days are numbered. That's kind of sad. But both days are left rotation, so we'll try to make this work. So let's go for it. Well, that was a thing. I'll consider that 1 point because my video software has been buggy recently, and due to that, it has a bad habit of cutting out too early. So we'll keep it going. Really good impact so far. Tie. Defense mode is working fantastically. I don't really know how to speak over this. 1-to-1. Let's try that again. Jesus Christ. Heavy impact. Let's see where it goes. Which bay is going to gas out first? My prediction is Tyrant. Yep, 2-to-1. What's the time looking like? 3 minutes in. Cool. Let's see if we can adjust this real quick. There we go. 3, 2, 1. Okay then. That's how that goes. 2-to-2. Okay then. Wow. Heavy hits from both bays. Ancalagon making really good movements in order to drain Tyrant's stamina, and it's succeeding phenomenally. 3-to-2. May or may not have accidentally just chucked Ancalagon, but it's okay. Okay. 3-to-3. Tyrant is not taking damage. It's kind of stunning. You know what? Since I consider counting the first point, I'll count that point for Tyrant, since that is fair. So, 4-3. Ooh! Don't you just love to see it? Mm-hmm. It felt so good. Damn. 5-2. And Tyrant seemed to be on the verge of bursting. It's actually kind of surprising. But at the same time, Tyrant doesn't have very good teeth. It's literally just because he's a Sparking May that he doesn't burst frequently. Okay. Whoa! 6-3. Is the video still going? It is good. Ancalagon's teeth are being worn down from this battle. This is kind of insane. Whoa! Well, that's 7-3. Okay, I'm not disappointed by that outcome because Tyrant's a whole lot different degree of monster. Whoa. I'm half tempted to take that 1 point away, but I'm not gonna because that's unfair. I'm not disappointed by this at all, okay? I mean, Tyrant's a heavy-hitting monster of a bay that moves quickly, and Ancalagon's a lot lighter, but the test was successful because he did not burst, and the only way Tyrant actually got a point against him successfully was in knocking him out. I mean, he could outspin him rarely, but it was kind of inconsistent. So yeah, that's how that went. Anyways, I have big plans for ahead of time. Ancalagon will be facing off against the Superior 7, all of them starting from the bottom, going all the way to the top. Smite will be getting more battles here recently. Callisto will be getting battles, and Onslaught will be getting battles. So, that's all I have for you today. Oh, actually, one more thing. I'm a liar. Draugr, yeah, he's kind of unheard of. He's gonna get some updates, because he deserves them, and he's really cool. I love Draugr. It's just, he's kind of unbeknownst. Kind of the underdog. That's it, though. I hope you all enjoyed this video. Be sure to hit that like button, subscribe, and hit the notification bell if you want to. And I'll see you all in the next video. Goodbye.